Come run around the train at the bum to the junction. Petticoat Junction. And that's Uncle Joe, and he's moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction, not okay, you bet. Even more when you get to the junction. Petticoat Junction. Wee, wee.